Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. As we know friends, Global Online platform has started a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET examination. Along with that, we have already launched a previous year question paper series for mathematics paper 2. This is the series for previous year question papers of mathematics CTET paper 2. So in today's lecture we'll be talking about the question paper of 12 January 2022. As we know friends, the paper questions are easy to moderate level, but the difficulty level that the students are facing right now is the time management. Hence, along with the detailed solution, I'll be providing you certain short and smart tricks so that within the limited span of time you can solve the question paper with the great accuracy and confirm the target to gain 30 out of 30 marks. For the central teacher eligibility test, a complete course has been launched by Global Online platform for paper 1 as well as for the paper 2, and you can get enrolled to the course via Global Online application from the Play Store or contact us on this given WhatsApp number. Global Online application is available on the Play Store, from where you can install the application. After installing, open the application, you'll find such type of interface where there is an icon named as store icon. Click on it, you'll move to the page called as my courses, and in my courses there is a search tab where you have to type CTET course along with the fees will be displayed hence downwards, and you can get enrolled to the course. Already we have discussed the part 1 of the question paper. In today's lecture we'll be talking about the part 2. What is the question number 11 given here is, in a quadrilateral ABC, side AB is equal to side AD and side DC is equal to side BC. Which of the following option is true for an quadrilateral ABC? So here I'll draw one quadrilateral named as ABCD. After drawing the quadrilateral over here, the side AB is equal to side AD and side CD is equal to side BC. This is given in the question. Hence this is a kite. We know that in kite the sides are equal over here, right? It means this side is equal to this and this one. Okay, so here the diagonals of the kite are actually perpendicular to each other. They do not bisect each other. Please make a note of it, that the diagonals are not going to bisect each other. They are actually perpendicular to each other at 90 degree. We can say they are perpendicular to each other at 90 degree. They are not going to bisect each other. Hence option number A, B here gets eliminated. Okay, so after diagonals are perpendicular to each other, they are not going to be equal. They are also not equal over here. Hence the option number C is the correct option. Option number D is also eliminated. Moving on to the question number 12 now. They have given here, out of a pair of a complementary angles, one is 2/3 of the other angle. What is the supplement of the smaller angle? They have asked us. Let us consider one angle as x and the other angle is 2/3 of x, right? Because it is given in the question, one angle is 2/3 of the other angle. It means x into 2/3. Okay, this is going to be the other angle, that is 2x upon 3. What is the next data that they have given here? The sum, we know that the summation of the complementary angle is equal to what? 90 degree. So here it is nothing but it is 1. Okay, so I'll take here x into 3, 1 into 3 to make the denominator common. 2x upon 3 is equal to 90 degree. So this will give me 3x plus 2x upon 3 is equal to 90 degree. That is equals to 5x is equal to 270 degree. That is x is equal to here 270 degree upon 5. This will give me the value of 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. That is equal to 54 degree. Now they have asked us what is the supplement of the smaller angle. We have got the value of x, which is equals to 54 degree. We can find the value of 2x upon 3 as well. Okay, simply here this is the complementary angle. It means 90 minus, if I do 44, I'll get the other angle, that is equal to 36 degree, right? So they have asked us now to find the supplement of the smaller angle, that is equal to 180 degree minus, what is this smaller angle over here? 36 degree. That is minus 36 degree. This will give me 144 degree. Hence the supplement of the smaller angle is going to be 144 degree. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following letters have the rotational symmetry? If you look at all the letters given in the option, okay, we have to find the letters which has rotational symmetry, but not the linear symmetry. If you look at the letter M, N, O, X, all the letters over here other than N are having linear symmetry, but they are not having the rotational, but the n is the letter which is having the rotational symmetry, hence the answer for the given question is option number B. Moving on to the next question now. In a triangle ABC in which angle C is equal to 70 degree, if point P is on the side BC such that AP is equal to AC and angle BAP is equal to 30 degree, then angle B is equal to what is the question that they have asked us. Now we know that, let us draw the triangle first. In triangle ABC, they have given the angle C is equal to what? 70 degree. The second point that they have mentioned here is there is a point P on side BC such that AP is equal to what? AC, and angle BAP has been mentioned. Angle BAP is equal to 30 degree. It means this is going to be 30 degree. Now we know that whenever the sides are equal, that is AP is equal to PC, if this angle is 70 degree, this is also going to be 70 degree. Okay, the second point that you have to understand over here is, if this is a triangle, okay, and this is the outer angle, for example X, and this is angle A and angle B, to find the outer angle X is equal to A plus B. So here I'll be using the same thing. To calculate this particular X over here, I'll take the summation of X plus 30 degree is equal to 70 degree, which is considered to be the outer angle over here. Okay, so X plus 30 degree is going to be 70 degree, hence the value of X is equal to 70 degree minus 30 degree, this will give me 40 degree, hence the answer is option number D. Here two things that you have to remember. One is when the sides are equal, this and this angle are going to be equal, that is angle P and angle C over here, that is angle APC and angle ACP. And what next? Here the exterior angle 70 degree is going to be equal to summation of X degree plus 30 degree. Using this we have solved the whole question. Moving on to the next question. A, B, C and D, E, F are two triangles over here and their sides dimensions have been mentioned. Then which of the following is true that they have asked? Please note down the options. Option number A is triangle ABC is congruent with triangle EDF. Option number B is triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Option number C is triangle ABC and triangle DFE. Option number D is triangle ABC and triangle FDE. Okay, so here if we look at the given dimensions of the triangle, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEF, let us draw triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Here what is mentioned data? Side BC is equal to 5 cm, side BC, AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equals to 6 cm, AC is equal to 4 cm. Similarly here side DE is going to be 6 cm, side EF is going to be 4 cm and side DF is going to be 5 cm, right? So here if we look at the dimensions carefully, if we move from A to B and from B to C, this is 5 cm and 6 cm, so I'll consider this as triangle ABC. And the other one, if we look at the other triangle, this is side 5 cm and this is 6 cm, that is from DF to FD. So I'll consider this is going to be equal to triangle FDE because the dimensions are same in the same manner, okay, same flow. Hence triangle ABC is congruent with the triangle FDE. So the option number D is the correct answer for the given question. Moving on to the next question now. The base of the corresponding altitude of a triangle are in the ratio. The base and the corresponding altitudes ratio has been mentioned over here, 5:3. If its area is 120 centimeters square, what is the altitude? So look at the triangle here. Let me just erase once. This is the triangle where base and the altitude are given in the ratios. For example, let us consider this height as an h over here, that is altitude, and this b as the base. Okay, so here height and base are given in the ratio, barobar, right? B height, base and height are given in the ratio 5:3. Okay, so I'll consider the base as equals to 5x and the height is equal to 3x. I can consider this, right? And other thing that we know that the area of triangle is also mentioned, that is equal to 120 centimeters square. And area's formula is equals to half of base into height. We know the area 120 centimeters square, half base is also given 5x and height is equal to 3x. So just solve this, we will get 120 is equal to 15x square upon 2. This will give me further, after further calculation, x square is equal to 120 into 2 upon 15. This will give me 15 8s are, x square is equal to 16. The value of x is going to be 4. This is the value of x. Now what we have to find here, we have to find the altitude. We know the altitude, that is h is equals to 3x. We know the value of x, that is equals to 4, that is 3 into 4 is equal to 3 4s are 12. That is 12 centimeter is the answer for the given question. Moving on to the next question. Now the area of the trapezium has been mentioned 2275 centimeter square, and the distance between its parallel side has been mentioned in the ratio 5:8. The longer side among the parallel side is equal to what is the question. Okay, so look here, this is the trapezium. This is the trapezium. Okay, in this trapezium, I'm not able to draw it properly, but just try to understand. A, B, C and D. Okay, this is the longer side AB, this is the longer side, and this is the shorter side. Let us consider this as B and this side, shorter side, as A. Okay, now this excluding this, the parallel sides of trapezium, here something is missing. Trapezium are parallel side is 35 centimeter. Please write here, the parallel sides is equals to 35 centimeter. This is the data. It means this is going to be 35 centimeter over here. Now we know what is the area of trapezium. Yes, area of trapezium is half of A, that is the shorter side plus longer side into height. Okay, so what is mentioned here? A is to B has been mentioned. Okay, that is the parallel sides distance. Okay, the parallel sides distance has been mentioned 35 centimeter, and the parallel sides are in ratio 5:8. So I can take this as shorter side as 5x and the longer side as 8x. Okay, so let us just put the data in the given formula, that is half of 5x plus 8x into height is equal to 35 centimeter. That is equal to 2275 into 2. Am I right? Yes. Is equal to 5x plus 8x will give me 13x. Am I right? So 13x into 35. So this will further give me x is equal to 2275 into 2 divided by 13 into 35. So the value of x is going to be 10 over here. Okay, so I got the value of x. Now I have to find the longer side. What is the longer side over here? 8x. So 8x will be equal to 8 into 10 centimeter. This will give me 80 centimeter as my answer. The correct answer for the given question is option number C. Next question. Now the capacity of cylindrical tank is 1760.7 meter. If the depth is given 3.2 meter, depth means it is going to be the height basically. Now we have to find the perimeter of the base. So let us draw a cylinder over here. The cylinder's depth has been mentioned, that is equal to 3.2 meter. Okay, as well as the volume has been mentioned 1760.7 meter. So we know the what is the volume. Volume is nothing but pi r square h is equal to 1760.7 meter. We don't know the value of radius. We are going to find it out right now. So 22/7 into r square into the height is going to be basically the depth, that is 3.2, 1760/7. So 7 on both the sides got cancelled. R square is equal to 1760/22 into 3.2. So the value of r square is going to be 25 over here, and the value of r will be equal to 5. Okay, so we got the value of r. Now we have to find the perimeter. We know the formula for the perimeter is equal to 2 pi r, that is the perimeter of this base. Okay, so 2 pi r, it will give me 2 into 22/7 into radius is equal to r. This will give me 220/7 meter. That is option number D is the correct answer for the given question. Using two formulas of volume of a cylinder and the perimeter, we have find the answer. Moving on to the next question. Now a box contains a ball bearing numbers from 33 to 59. One number on one ball. A ball is at random removed from the box. What is the probability that the number on the balls is a prime number? Such types of question have been already solved. First we have to understand that the prime numbers between 33 to 59. What are the prime numbers between 33 to 59 over here? First one is 37, the second one is 41, the next one is 43, 47, 53 and 59. Hence here total we get 6 prime numbers, right? So total prime numbers are how much? Total prime number is equal to 6. Total numbers, now look here, total number between, how many numbers are there between 33 to 59? How to calculate this? Do 59 minus a number before 33, that is equal to 32. This will give me 27. Hence, there are total 27 numbers between 33 to 59. So, out of these total 27 numbers, 6 are the numbers which are the prime numbers. Hence, 6 upon 27 is the ratio or the probability where we find the prime number. 6 upon 2 can be simplified as 2 by 9. Okay, so the correct answer for the given question is option number first. Moving on to the next question now. If x, z and r are the median, mode and range respectively of the given data, over here we have to find the value of 4x plus y minus z. Let us find the mean, mode and median over here, median, mode and range. Okay, and then calculate the value. So here let us write this given number in the ascending form. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 16, 20, 23 comes twice, right? 23, 23, 29. For this given data, the middle numbers are 11 and 16. So here the median is going to be, basically the median is the middle number over here. Here there are two numbers, hence 11 plus 16 upon 2. This will give me 27 upon 2. Hence the answer is 13.5 for the median, which is equal to x. For mode, what is mode? The repetitive number which has come larger time. 23 is the number that has come twice over here, hence the mode is going to be 23. What is the range? Basically the range is the larger number minus the smaller number, that is 29 minus 2 will give me 27. Okay, this is the mean, mode and median value of x, y and z. Now we have got the value of x, y, z. Put this in this given required equation, that is 4x plus y minus z, that is equal to 4 into value of x is 13.5 plus value of y is 23 minus the value of z is equal to 27. Right, this will give me further 54 plus 23 minus 27. This will give me 77 minus 27. This is equals to 50. Hence 50 is the answer for the given question. Hence we have completed the whole question paper of mathematics CTET paper 2, which was conducted online on 12th of January 2022. And if you're liking the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section if you have any kind of doubt regarding the enrollment of the course or regarding any doubts or of the questions mentioned in the paper. You can ask me, let me know in the comment section. I'll resolve it in the next section. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day everyone. Bye.